Do you want to mention someone in an Instagram comment? You can tag anyone in the Instagram comment with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to mention someone in an Instagram comment. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Mentioning someone in an Instagram comment involves tagging your friends or Instagram users. Mentioning someone in an Instagram comment is done by typing the username of the person you want to tag. When you tag someone, their username becomes clickable, and they receive a notification informing them that they've been mentioned in a comment. To mention someone in an Instagram comment, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, find the post you want to comment on by scrolling through your feed or visiting the profile of the user who posted it. Below the post, you'll see a section where you can add comments. Tap on the comment icon or comments field to start typing your comment. In the comment box, type at the rate symbol followed by the username of the person you want to tag. As you type, Instagram will provide suggestions based on the usernames of people you follow or have interacted with before. Once you see the correct username in the suggestions, tap on it. This will insert the username into your comment. After tagging someone, continue typing the rest of your comment as desired. Once you're satisfied with your comment, publish your comment with the mention. Your comment will now appear in the post comments section, and the person you mentioned will receive a notification informing them that they've been mentioned in a comment. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.